Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 6 students, hello again. Welcome back to English. I am Ahmed Al-Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Please open your class book to page 4. Yes, this page. Go to Activity 1. Read and label. What's the aim of this activity? Let's check. The aim: students will be able to read and understand factual information about crafts from around the world for specific information and general understanding. Who can read the rubric? Yes, people all over the world make beautiful things with their hands. Read these email attachments from IKC members and find out more about arts and crafts from different countries. Match each text to a picture and label each one. So you have to read, you have to understand, then you have to match each text to a picture. Dear students, if you find any difficult words, please look them up at any dictionary. Ask your father, ask your brother to help you. After reading, try to get the meaning of the difficult words. Now I will read only. Iranian rugs. Try to read with me. Iran is famous for its beautiful rugs. The women who make these rugs tie thousands of knots in long pieces of wool. They use wool of different colors to make patterns in the rugs. Many of the rugs have patterns with flowers, trees, and animals in them. They also make rugs with patterns of squares, triangles, rectangles, and circles. They use lots of different colors in their rugs: red, blue, orange, brown, and green. This is about Iranian rugs. Number 2. Sand paintings. The Navajo Native American tribe of North America is famous for its sand paintings. These paintings used to be drawn in the sand on the floor as decoration for important ceremonies. Today, Navajo artists make sand paintings on hard boards. They draw a picture on the board and then stick different colored sands on it with glue to show the different parts of the picture. The sand paintings show important characters and events from the Navajo people's history. The Navajo Indians live in what is called the Painted Desert in Arizona, North America. This desert contains many different types of rocks that have produced lots of different colored sands. The sands are very fine and are colored using plant and vegetable dyes. Palestinian pottery. Traditional Palestinian pottery was very simple and made of baked clay. Today, Palestinian pottery is very different. It is still made of clay and baked in an oven, but now when it's hard, it is painted. Palestinian potters use lots of different colors, shapes, and patterns in their designs. They use strong colors such as blue, pink, green, and yellow, usually on a white background. Palestinian pottery usually has strong flowery and zigzag patterns on it. It's easy to recognize Palestinian pottery because of its very strong colors and patterns. Origami. Origami is the Japanese art of folding paper. Ori is the Japanese word for folding and kami is the Japanese word for paper. That is how origami got its name. However, origami did not start in Japan. It began in China between the years 100 and 200 and then spread to Japan in about 600. One of the most popular models to make in origami is a bird called the crane. The crane is thought of as a special bird in Japan. It was a Japanese custom that if a person folded 1,000 cranes, they would be granted one wish. The first book ever written to give instructions how to make origami models was in 1797. It was called How to Fold 1,000 Cranes. This book contained the first written set of origami instructions, which told how to fold a crane. Today, there are many books giving instructions for making lots of different origami models. Matryoshka dolls. Russian matryoshka dolls are usually carved from one piece of wood. They fit one inside the other. They are made in the shape of a woman. Matryoshka comes from the Russian word meaning mother. Mothers are very important in Russia. Matryoshka dolls were used to store things in, but now they are made as toys for children. All Matryoshka dolls have the same type of face, but different parts of Russia decorate the clothes of the dolls in a different style. The most popular color for the body is bright red. Now, let's do the activity. Match each text to a picture and label each one. So, what is number 1? Yes, excellent. Matryoshka dolls. Thank you. What's number 2? Yes, excellent. Sand paintings. Okay, what's number 3? Yes, excellent. Origami. Yes. What's number 4? It's Iranian rags. So what's number 5? Yes, Palestinian pottery. Okay, now listen and check your work. Let's listen.
1. Matryoshka dolls. 2. Sand paintings. 3. Origami. 4. Iranian rugs.
You have to correct it here.
5. Palestinian pottery.
Yes, we did it correctly. Activity 2. Read and complete. Read the texts again and complete this chart. Again, you can read the texts in order to complete this chart. Object, Matryoshka dolls. Country, yes, in which country? Yes, excellent. Russia. If you come here and say it is from Russia. Yeah. Made of? Do you remember? Yes, carved from one piece of what? Made of what? Try to complete the activity like that. Write the name of the object, the country, and what it was made of. Here, another task. Make lists of all the things you know made with these materials. What? Paper, clay, wool, plastic, cotton. Try to write some examples of things made of these materials. By this we've finished activities 1 and 2. See you later. Thank you. Goodbye.